How to knit one together right loop and left loop. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you two very ingenious knitting stitches that deserve a lot more attention. Knit one together right loop and knit one together left loop. You can use these stitches to bridge gaps, knit jogless stripes, and you can even use them to knit a kind of short row. So let's knit them together. We'll start with knit one together right loop. So lift the loop, the right loop of the stitch one row below, back to your knitting needle, and then knit these two stitches together through the back loop. Let's do it one more time. So lift the right loop, back to your knitting needle. And then knit these two stitches together through the back loop. Let's do it one more time in slow motion. As you can see, this will lead to a somewhat condensed stitch. I mean, that's the whole point of it. But if you're knitting stockinette stitch, you may consider not knitting the two stitches through the back loop. So instead, you lift this loop back to the left needle and then you knit these two stitches together. This would be my preferred method if you want to create jogless stripes, but it will create, as you can see, a looser stitch. And here's how to knit one together left loop. So slip one stitch knitwise and then lift the left loop here, but don't lift it to the right needle. Instead, slip that stitch back to the right needle. And now you need to knit these two stitches together. Knit them together. Let's do it one more time. So slip one knitwise, lift that left loop and slip that stitch back, and then knit these two stitches together. Let's do it one more time in slow motion. And again, you can also slip this stitch purlwise and then lift that stitch and then knit these two stitches together. However, this will not condense the fabric in a similar way, and it may actually result in a little eyelet here. Anyway, that's how to knit one together right loop and left loop. Comment below in case you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.